4 important day for changing and upgrading your relations, your luck, and your health and wealth. So these 4 days will help you changing for the second half of the year of the tiger. So those 4 days is May 28th, 29, 30, and June 3rd. So I'm going to talk about explanation right away come up. Hello everyone, welcome my suggestions. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 4 most important days for your self-healing in order to change your luck, change your relationship, your health, your wealth. As I mentioned that 4 important days, which is May 28th, May 29th, and May 30th, as well as June 3rd. Okay, so first of all, how you want to change for next half years. We're almost half year, middle of the year. How we can continue healing for the health and for the luck, health, and the wealth. So there's a few things can help you change. So first of all, next weekend, it's really important to continue practicing Qigong in order to help you continue, increasing your Qi level, because next weekend we will end up with the new moon. New moon is the power, again, hidden power, preparation, and collect all the powerful Qi. Then it's very, very important things you want to do that day. You want to collect a lot of coin. Collect a lot of coin. Just 20 different coin. Could be quarter, dime, and nickels, just one handful. Then you can boil in the water with a lot of water. Then this water, where you want to put this water, you want to put into north section of your home. Put there next weekend, which is any day of those 3 days, which is 28th, 29th, and the 30th. Then whenever I have a sun during the whole week, you can take out the water, outside. You want to just boil like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Though this water you want, under the sun. Take out, then bring in, then give a lot of good thinking, good thought. So this water will be so powerful, help you for healing, for the, for changing your luck and the wealth and health. Then when you want using this water you want using on the June 3rd. June 3rd is a big festival in China, what we call also Dragon and Day, have a lot of help changing the luck, changing a lot of things. So on the June 3rd, it's really important that you want using this little water to cleansing, put some in your forehead, put everywhere. If you have some physical blockages, you can put the water on, okay? Then, in the morning first things, you want using this water. Then also after that you can take a shower that day. Really important to take a shower. Then you also that day you want to eat some red things like Chinese red dates, or little bit goji berry, and also rice, sticky rice. If you can eat some sticky rice, allow you continue sticky and make joint connections for the last half years continue upgrading, getting higher. Okay, so that's everyone, most Chinese that day we're all eating this sticky rice on the June 3rd. But on the May 20 next weekend, practicing Qigong and doing that can help you soak pretty much for 5 days all the way to June 3rd. Then give you best intention. That's really, really important. And again, next weekend, I also hold a big retreat called Qiankun Qigong. So that help you continue, you build celestial, parenting, the mother and the father, the sky and the earth, make this connection sturdy, which is help you continue give birth chi, continue give birth health, give birth financial life, and as well as relationship. So either, you can practice yourself, or you can also just join me next weekend. So thank you so much. Maybe see you sometimes in the future. I hope you like this video. So please, again, you can share with others. Let more people avoid the seasons. That's really important. Thank you so much.